In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close an account on eBay. If you've decided to say goodbye to eBay, either because you found a different platform to use, or you simply no longer need the service, this tutorial will guide you through the process of closing your account. Now, within the next few minutes, we'll cover the essential steps you need to take to close your account easily and effectively. First, you'll need to start by heading over to your account settings. To do this, sign into your eBay account and look for the Account section, typically found under your profile. Once you've navigated here, you're well on your way. Account settings are essentially the central hub for managing your account preferences. So it's the perfect place to start this process. Next, you'll be looking for the option to Close Account. Usually, you can find this option in a subsection related to account preferences or privacy settings within your account settings. It's important to take this step carefully. Once you initiate the process to close your account, you won't be able to undo it, so ensure you're ready to finalize things before moving forward. After selecting Close Account, eBay will typically ask you to confirm your reason for closing the account. This step is standard practice among many platforms, as it helps them gather feedback to improve their services. Whether you're leaving due to personal reasons, dissatisfaction with the platform, or simply because you no longer need it, take a moment to provide that feedback accurately. With the reason for closing your account confirmed, you're ready for the final step, submitting your request. This involves a simple action of pressing a button to formally send your closure request to eBay. After you submit this request, eBay will process the closure of your account. Be mindful that this might take a few days or even weeks to become final, depending on eBay's current processing times. At this stage, you might want to double-check that there are no outstanding transactions or issues that could delay or complicate the closure process. And there you have it. Following these steps will lead you to successfully close your account on eBay. Remember that this action is permanent, and once the request is approved and processed, your account, along with any associated data, will no longer be accessible. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and clear, guiding you smoothly through each step of the way. If you have any further questions, always feel free to reach out directly to eBay's customer support for more assistance. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide useful.